Next, we'll import data into MongoDB that we'll use for Retrieval-Augmented Generation. For our dataset, we'll use article comments from the New York Times. The dataset comes from Kaggle, and you'll find a link to it in the video description. We'll create a database called NYTC and a collection named Comments, where all of the dataset records will be stored. We'll import comments from January 2017. And choose the most appropriate data types for each field. Once the import is complete, we end up with 231,449 documents as successfully imported into MongoDB.